Good afternoon all. I am Vaishnavi Kulkarni. I am here since 1 month interning with this company in this guy. As we know that I am a EC department student, we all know that NodeMCU ESP8266 module is so familiar to us, and it is the board which is designed especially to target the IoT applications. So I have done my project here, which is based on the home automation system. I have used the Node MC module, ESP8266, then the MQ5 sensor, which detects the gas or the pollution in the place, and I have used the DTH11 sensor, which detects the temperature and humidity value. I have also attached some the LED and the buzzer, which indicates the change or the alertness in our automation system. Then here is a project whenever there is a smoke or fire in the or a gas leakage in that place or a room, this sensor senses it directly, and if the value the value which it senses and the code in which we have given some values, if the both code are same, then it does then you should think that the room is safe or the home is safe. If the code value and the senses value is not same, then directly automatically the LED gets on and the buzzer start making some noise, which indicates that something is wrong in that place. So let me show the demo here. To dump the code, I have used Arduino IDE 2.21 platform. Then here is a code. We have many platforms on the internet using IoT functions. The best was the Adafruit platform, where we need to publish. Here is the feeds we have taken. Humidity for humidity, then temperature for temperature, and gas for gas detection. Here then the code in the white setup we have mentioned the pin modes, then the serial begin means the baud rate, then in the while loop the main programming that the sensor value, when the buzzer should be on, when the buzzer should be low. Then last is the publishing the temperature value, humidity value, and the gas value in the Adafruit platform, where we monitor all the values like this. Let me show you. This is the Adafruit platform, where the temperature value is and the humidity and the gas value is being monitored. So okay, I have given some threshold value like 850 value. If the value is greater than 850, then the LED ons and the buzzers start making the noise. Where this indicates that we should be alert. Now the value is below 850, so it's a safe place or the safe room. So applications for this project is we can use in the home, school, colleges, industries, wherever there is a danger, so we can use. So